How to lock any apps in your Android phone. What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can lock your apps on your Android phone easily. So what you need to do first is go to Play Store. Okay, after that you have to type app lock. Okay, please make sure you watch the full video and like this channel, and like this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, after that you have to download a specific app locker like this. Okay, I'm going to install this one. Okay, after installing you have to open it up. Okay, it's half and it almost there. Please make sure you watch the full video and leave a comment if you have any problem while doing this. Okay, then after installing the app you have to open up the app that's called app lock. Okay, just a minute. Okay, after that you have to set a specific lock that you want to use in your apps. Okay, I'm going to do this. You have to draw it again just like that. Please remember this one, that you don't forget. After that you have to click on agree and start. Okay, then here you can see this is pretty much easy, that you can now lock your any app just like that. I'm going to click on Chrome. What you need to do is click on any app like here. Then after that there has two option permission required. You have to click, you have to have Android 5 in your phone. Okay, then after you have to give the permission to log the app in these apps. Okay, so after we giving the permission here just like that. Okay, permit, you have to go to it. So it will automatically get into settings, and after that you have to click on app lock and you have to turn this on, permit users access. Okay, then after that you can pretty much easily lock any apps in your phone just like that. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.